In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Telegram chat to Strikingly website. By the end, you'll have a clean, clickable button on your site that opens a Telegram conversation right away, making it simple for visitors to reach you. First, you'll need your Telegram link. There are two straightforward options. The standard username link is the simplest. It opens a chat with your account. If you want to nudge visitors with a preset greeting, use the version that includes a start parameter, which opens the chat and pre-fills a short message. In both cases, replace the placeholder with your actual Telegram username, the same public username you set in your Telegram settings. If you haven't set one yet, open Telegram later and choose a clear, recognizable username so people know it's you. Next, head into your Strikingly editor. Log into your Strikingly account and click Edit on the site where you want to add the chat option. This brings you into the visual editor where you can add sections and customize content. Now add a place for your Telegram button. Click Add Section and choose either button or call to action. Both options work well. The call to action layout is great if you want a headline and supporting text above the button, while the button section keeps things minimal. Give the button clear, action-focused text so visitors know exactly what will happen when they click, like chat on Telegram or message us on Telegram. Keep it concise and consistent with your site's tone. With the button in place, connect it to your Telegram link. Click on the button to open its settings, then paste the Telegram link you prepared earlier. Set the link to open in a new tab. This small detail matters because it keeps your site open while the chat starts, helping visitors return easily after they message you. Once you've added the link, make sure to save your changes in the editor. That's it. When someone clicks the button, it will open a Telegram chat instantly. If they have the Telegram app installed, it'll launch the app. If not, it will open in the browser. This setup keeps your workflow light, no extra plugins or code, and gives visitors a fast, familiar way to reach you. To wrap up, you created a Telegram link, opened your Strikingly editor, added a button section with clear text, pasted your link, set it to open in a new tab, and saved. You now have a smooth pathway from your site to your Telegram inbox.